You're welcome to today's training. How to set up WhatsApp business to attract and convert customers. All right. And I hope you know that we have normal WhatsApp and we have WhatsApp business. So what we're talking about today is WhatsApp business because it's created actually for your business. It has tools in it, things that will help to scale your business. So, but before we go into today's practical training, I need you to understand something very important. You see, most people are on WhatsApp every day. They are chatting, they are posting status, forwarding messages, but they are not making money from it. Not because WhatsApp does not work, but because they are not using it like business tool. So there is a tendency for you to have WhatsApp and you are a business owner, but you are not using your WhatsApp the way a business owner should. I want you to know something, that in this inner circle, we are not here to just learn theory. All right, in the general community we can learn theory, but here it's mostly practical. We are here to build systems that work, to set up tools and create structures that can actually bring results to your brand or to your business. So today we are starting with one of the most powerful, all right, tool that you already know, which is WhatsApp business. Yes, so if you set this WhatsApp business properly, I can tell you that you can attract customers, you can present your service professionally, you can even close sales directly from your phone. But if you keep using it casually, it will remain just a chatting app, all right? Because of course you can use it to chat, not a business. But the normal WhatsApp is for that one. If you want to scale your business, you have to leverage on the WhatsApp business. So I need you to stay focused throughout this training, all right? Follow every step and don't skip anything that I say. By the end of this training, your WhatsApp business app will no longer look like a personal app. It will look and function like a business, all right? And you make money from it depending on the phone you are using. If you are using Android, you go to your Play Store, and if you are using iPhone, you go to your App Store. Then you go and download WhatsApp business if you don't have it, if you are not using it already. All right, so let's go Play Store. This is an Android phone, so let's use Play Store. Now I don't have this an extra number I will use to do this, so I'll just improvise, but I just want you to follow me. All right. Now, when you get to Play Store, this search icon, click on it and write WhatsApp business. WhatsApp business. You can see it here. So this is how it looks. It has this WhatsApp logo with a plus, which is different from the normal WhatsApp. This is the normal WhatsApp. All right, WhatsApp Messenger, that one is your normal one for chatting and all. So the WhatsApp business is different from the WhatsApp manager. Now this is it. So you install, you click on install, you open it. Once it's downloaded, you open it, so you get something like this. When you download okay, it, so you they'll ask you for your number, which number you want to use to register. So you should have a number for your business. If you don't and you want to use the normal number you have been using for your other WhatsApp, you can put that number there. But please note, once you use that number, you will not be able to use it for the WhatsApp. So after you must have downloaded it from the Play Store, you will open it. Now mine is already functioning, so I will just teach you the necessary things to put in place. Okay. Now, when you open it, you have, if you haven't been using it before, you have a blank interface. Yeah, I'm already functioning with it. Do you understand? That's why I have all these things here. Now, you will look on the down part here and you see tools. After you have clicked on the tool, you will get this interface. Okay. You can see all these tools have been put in place for you to automate, navigate, expand, scale your business. All right. But if you are not making use of it, you are kind of shortchanging yourself. So the next step is setting up the profile. Okay. So you will come here, um these three dots here, up here. You will come, click on it. All right. Then you see settings. Click on settings. So it will show you more tools that you can explore and settings too. Okay, now what we want to work on is our profile. Okay, so you click up here, or you click the profile, and it will bring it to somewhere like this. If your own is new, it will be blank. All right, this place is for, is what we call the cover page. Okay, we call it the cover page. Up here you can decide to put your personal picture there. I like to connect with my clients. I like them to know that there is a face behind this brand that they can respect. So you can put a picture there that is nice. But if you don't feel comfortable putting a picture, you can put the picture of your product there, as long as it's going to show well. Okay, so how do you do that? You click on that space, and then you get a drop thing like this. Then you click on your gallery, and it will take you to your gallery to pick anyone. I have done mine. I don't want to change it, so it gave me that. All right, it gave me this. This is my cover photo. All right, so the next one is you click on this one, this camera stuff again, so that you can also do the profile picture. When you click on that camera, it will take you here. It will take you this camera to give you a drop, whatever like that. You click on gallery, it will take you to your gallery to pick the picture of what you want. But there, me, I prefer you use a logo, and you don't need, at this point, you don't need anybody to teach you to do the logo for you. You can do logo for yourself. Just go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT your brand name, and also what you want ChatGPT to do, the colors, the color of the brand and everything. Just instruct ChatGPT, and to come up with a well matured um logo. So in this profile picture, put logo there if you can. Then you scroll down to name. You scroll down to your name, your business name. Click on this place. It will give you something like this. You put your business name there. Very important. All right. Then you do the remaining settings here. You pick from this category what your brand is about. Okay, what your brand is about, you pick, and then you also set your functioning days from Monday to Sunday. You can see, click here. If you want it open for selected hours, you click, and then they give you options. You understand? Then if you want, you are opened always, you can do this. If you want it to be on appointment, you can click on that. All right, that's that. Here is your description. So this place is to tell you about your business. Okay, you can say we help business owners to get visibility and attract customers online. I just listed out what I did. You can do that too. You can list out the things that you do, or you can write something like what you put on your Instagram bio. You can even copy that one and come and paste here. You get? That's it. Then the next is catalog. Okay, so catalog, this is what you need, all right, which is very important. No matter what your business is, even for instance, Fearless Digital Co is a service business, you can still advertise your service businesses. All right, then product business, if your business is a product business, you get lovely um diagrams and pictures of it. Anyway, so this is the interface of your catalog. When you click on the catalog, now you have two options: add new items, connect a catalog for Meta Business Suite. That means if you are running ads, you can connect your um catalog here. Isn't that amazing? Like, people see your advert and they click and they get to your catalog on your WhatsApp. And when they are done, they send you a message that they want to buy and you sell. Okay, that is automated. Now, we are not running ad now, so let's do the normal one. So you add your item. So for me now, which item? I have various items, you understand? Flyers, I create flyers, I create graphics, I create videos and all that. But let me use the recent, this class. let's say I want to advertise this class on my WhatsApp. I've already created the flyer. In another class, I'll teach you how to create a flyer for your brand, you know. So I've created the flyer for it. So you just click on this place, you understand, and it will take you to your gallery. Like I told you, I have created the flyer already for the benefit of this. So this is a flyer, and I have created it to suit the catalog. You understand? This is a flyer. I post it. Do you understand? If I want to post multiple, for those of you that have bags and products, and you have products in different ranges, let's take for instance bag. Your bag comes in different colors or styles and everything, and you want it, so you have option of doing multiple pictures. Or mine is one, which is fine by me. Then it's asking you item name. Now, not to overstress yourself. Do you understand? Go to ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT, um, setting my WhatsApp business catalog. Fill in my product. You should not say the product, okay? The fearless inner circle. Inner circle premium community. Fill in the details on the catalog for me. Now I have to tell you something. All this one I'm writing is not really necessary. The reason why I'm writing my own is because I've exhausted. See, I can't upload image again. That's why I'm writing it. So what you need to do, just remunch that catalog place. You now write your product, the kind of product. Do you understand? If you have not been using ChatGPT before, you have to tell it the product and everything. And if you can upload the product too, just click here and upload the product. Once you click here, you can upload as many as possible. Just click on photo. Click on photo. Do you understand? And you will begin to upload the picture. Now you upload the picture and also upload the what they call it, the screen munch of that catalog, please. So it will just help you answer everything. So let me post this one. Okay, so see, it's already, because we have been talking, so it knows everything. So product name, fearless inner city, and a premiumship membership. So I'll click on it, copy it, go back to my whatever. Did you see? Yeah, item name. Now price, I go back. It accept me to put price because we have been talking. It knows everything. If you are new, just don't stress yourself. It's not hard. So I'll write it out myself. 575. Then here, sales. Then here, description. It accept me to write my description. Just copy and paste. So copy here, come back, put it, paste it there. Do you get? Read it very well. This is a practical step by step. Your implementation, I prefer it to be listed like this. You get early birds. Let me see if we can. I like it like this. Early bird available for the first 20. You get this is a practical so that it doesn't choke too much. Then this one too, come here, listed. Okay, inside you will learn. Let me give you space. You get the fearless inner circle, premium learning growth community design. You see, this is a product. Country of origin required is important. I don't search for it. All right, Nigeria. Save it. Did you get? Now, do not touch this place. Leave it like this. This field, this place. Leave it. When you hide this item, customer will not see it. So don't hide it. It's when you don't want customer to see it again. Maybe it's no more in stock or something. You can click on it so that your customer will see it again. When it's back in stock, you put it off so that it can show. You understand? So that is that for that. Now, you see, you come here, After you have written everything, you can check it very well that you have done everything. You put your flyer there, which I'll be teaching you how to create flyers for each product that you have. Then you put your name there. Understand? This is the name. Fearless Inner Circle membership premium. That's what your customers will see. Then you put price there. I don't know if I can. It's basically number, so no need. This is a discount. It's obvious that there's a discount. The discount for 20 first 20 people, and it's written down here, early access. Do you understand? Then you put this save. Click on save. All right. This is the product. You can see that the product is there. All this place is supposed to have your product there. You get. If you want to boost it, you can click like this and run ads from here. If you want to share it to people, you can click here and share it to people. Okay, basically you copy the link of the catalog, you can share it to your customers, you can share it as an advert on a Facebook, you can share it on a status. Let's share it on a status. So this is status, this is a catalog. All right, follow this link to view our catalog. If you don't like the color, you can change it. You get. Follow this link, you post it. You understand? Let's go and check the status. You see how it's coming. Follow this link to view our status. When they click on it, it will take them to the status. It's still uploading. So imagine how you set up your catalog. Okay, so your catalog is set. If you have new collections, you put it there. If you want new items, you put it there. You get. Basically, so this is it. This is how this thing is right now. This is my catalog for this product. If I write a book, if I have other product too, I will add it there. Let me tell you something. WhatsApp business is just like your professional office or your professional online store. After we've done the catalog, the next on the list is advertise. That's a training on its own. It's under advertisement. Okay. Now, after that, the next one is organizing your chat. This is a high value practical training. Most people ignore this part, but this is what separates random chatting from real business management. How to organize your chats on WhatsApp business like a professional. That's why this training is going to have a part 2, because I want to really show you what and what to do. A lot of people ignore it. They don't even use it. But it is very important because what you get to see is WhatsApp business that people are running like their normal WhatsApp. Messages everywhere, no structure, no follow up. They lost customer. Customer asks for something, you don't even know what to tell the customer, or you don't know how to track your customer for repeated sales. You understand? Conversion. That is why there's no consistency in sales. People buy today, you don't even remember the customer tomorrow to go back, to know what to tell the customer so that you can get even referral. Do you get? Serious business owners track conversations. They know who is ready to pay. They know who to follow up properly because they have put all these things in place. They set it up well. All right. So this organize your chart. It's a very concise training. I won't want to add it to this training because it will be overwhelming. And then I will not be able to teach you very well. So you know how to do your labeling, you know how to do your greetings, your away message, your quick replies, and all that. You will not be able to do if I rush it, that training. And you know I don't like to rush you people. I like to teach you as if I'm teaching a baby so that you get it right. So we are going for part 2. I hope you have learned something from this part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Cheers.